In today's video, I'm going to teach you a neat advanced tip on how to effectively use gems in Gemini to set up a work brief for yourself every morning. Whether you're an experienced user of Gemini or just getting started, this will enhance your daily productivity routine significantly. To begin with, the first thing you want to do is head over to your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once there, in the search bar, you'll want to type in Google Gemini. This simple action will lead you to the starting point of your journey into maximizing the use of gems. Now that you've located the right search result, the next step is to click on the Google Gemini website. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of tools designed to streamline your workflow. Once you're on the website, take a moment to appreciate the array of features that are geared towards making your daily planning and productivity tasks more efficient and less time-consuming. On the Google Gemini website, look towards the sidebar where you'll see an option labeled Explore Gems. This feature is particularly useful for discovering the different functionalities available that can help you automate and enhance your productivity. Go ahead and click Explore Gems to dive into the myriad of options available. Within the Explore Gems section, you'll want to pay special attention to the Productivity Planner. This particular gem is going to be your best friend in organizing your daily tasks without stress. Click on Productivity Planner. It's designed specifically to help you set up things like daily work briefs. Finally, you'll find an option that says, Create a work brief for me every morning. Clicking on this sets up an automated feature that will deliver a personalized work brief to you each morning, ensuring you start your day with a clear outline of your goals and tasks. This step is crucial for keeping on top of your daily schedule and maximizing efficiency. Congratulations! You're now equipped to use gems in Gemini to automatically generate a work brief every morning. With each brief tailored specifically to your needs, you'll find that daily planning becomes less daunting and more of an effortless ritual. It's a fantastic way to ensure that your priorities are set straight from the start of your day. Remember, productivity is often about working smarter, not harder, and Gemini's gems are designed with that in mind. They are like little helpers ready to make your work life smoother and more productive. So take advantage of them and watch your productivity soar. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in next time for more tips on navigating the digital tools that enhance your efficiency and productivity.